think our initial piece was the traditional dome-shaped one, where that's where we first started out, and then we branched off towards a wall piece as well. So to accommodate the walls, not just a hanging one. Then we figured out why not just have a long one as well that would bring an accent piece towards the space.
I do find that it has this almost balance between artisanal product, but also at the same time, this idea of easily fabrication. That is also why we actually went with these kind of shape, because we wanted to really focus on the pattern that we are producing. Because in the first initial weeks, we find that we wanted to really create something quite different in a way that it's different with the substrate instead of just different molding.
I think particularly we worked on dead materials, sort of. So we initially started with food waste, such as banana peels, oats, etc. And then we transitioned towards charcoal, which is basically dead wood, just because we couldn't find supplies for banana peels and such like that. We try to explore as much as we can with the amount of food available, just to see how much the mycelium could eat the waste. And we just discovered which one works best with mycelium, and we decided to go with it. And additionally, it just adds aesthetic towards the piece as well.
I think the exciting part is how we cannot control the mycelium, and I think that's the best part, that we as designer, we don't we not only work with the mycelium, but we kind of like engage with it. So we kind of like waiting for them to work as well as we put the charcoal and the material inside. So we're kind of like working to work together as a teamwork. So there's two options of us to stop the mycelium. One is for the smaller prototype, we baked it to stop the growing of the mycelium. And for the large panel, we air dry for about 2 to 3 days because it cannot fit to the oven. So we have to air dry.